Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to be discussing how to change out your air filter in your engine compartment on a 2024 Super Duty diesel. Only take you a few minutes. It's super easy. Okay, here's the filter you need. It's a FA2031. You can find this easily on Amazon. The only tool you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so your air filter is up on the passenger side front corner, right behind that headlight. First thing you're going to do is just pop off these clips right here, just like that. Okay, next thing you're going to do is there's a little hose clamp right here. You're going to go ahead and take that off. Next. Okay, next thing you're going to do is just slide this tube right off of your filter assembly. Okay, and you just pick it up. Move it out of your way. Okay, so I pulled the cover off. Now I'm just popping this filter out. There you go. You're out. You get your new one out of your box. It's going to look just like this. This one isn't bad because it doesn't really need to be replaced right now. I'm just showing you how to do it because I already did it. Anyway, just put that back in there. Put your new one in. Put your cover back on. Your tube back on. Okay, next you just slide this rubber tube back on this filter case and tighten it down. Okay, then you're going to snap these clips back on. There's 3 of them. That's it. You're done. So there you go. You don't need to go down there and pay $200 at a Ford dealer. You can do it yourself. So less than 5 minutes, you're done. So if that helped you, I appreciate it. Hit the like button, and you want to subscribe. Going to have a lot more videos coming out on the maintenance things you can do yourself on your 2024 Ford Super Duty F250.